Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to look at Rene of Paris Nico and this beautiful color Ice Blonde. I've never reviewed this color before, so I can't wait to show it to you. I purchased this wig with my own funds from wigstudio1.com, so be sure to go over there and check them out. And also, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at Crazy Wig Lady, where I have Wig to Toe Wednesday and I also have Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady. Okay, let's get started. Rene of Paris Nico. Okay, Rene of Paris Nico. This is such a nice bob. I like this blunt cut on this one. Lots of movement. Just really a great shape on this wig. You can wear it behind your ears. Now, I'm going to tell you, this is a basic cap, and as you know, I'm a fan of basic caps, and like I've always said, don't get me wrong, I love all my wigs. I love from basic cap all the way to full hand-tied human hair. I love them all, but I truly do believe basic cap wigs have a place. And if you're new to wigs, I've said it before, I'm going to say it again, if you're new to wigs, my opinion, it's just my opinion, is that if you start with a basic cap, it is kind of an easier journey. You don't have to break the bank. It's affordable. This is a very affordable style. You can kind of find out what styles do you like, what shapes do you like, what colors do you like, without spending so much money on mono features and lace fronts and all that in the very beginning. That's just my opinion. But I still like my basic cap wigs and wear them all the time. This one, like I said, it's a chin length bob. Now my face is 9 inches from hairline to chin. This has a 3 1/4 inch fringe. Like I said, basic cap, no lace front. You don't need it. You got these cute bangs with it that can be worn straight down, or you can sweep them off to the side if you'd like. I like mine just kind of straight down, just like this. Just mess them up a little. Don't want them too fixed. Really nice. 3 1/4 inch fringe. I like that. The crown's 11, 2 inch nape, and this weighs 3.53 ounces. Now the fit, this is fitting me, I would say, just right, if not a little snug. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. Coverage, cannot see my bow hair here. Little bit here. Ear tabs right here above my ears, just like to show you how the fit, so it has good coverage on this wig. Very minimal permatease. There's not a lot of permatease. You can tell this is a sleeker style. Now, what I would probably do is use a little Fiber Love holding spray. Spray a little in my hands, or you could use some water, and just get my hands in here and mess this up. If you want to give your wig a more natural look, get in there when you get it. If you decided you're going to keep it, don't do this if you're thinking of returning it. But if you've decided you're going to keep it, get your hands in there, and you can hear me scratching against that cap and pulling these fibers away from the cap. And as you can see already, just by doing that a little bit, that has loosened these fibers up. Much more natural look, in my opinion, that way. And then I use just a little holding spray, just to create, just see how it's just a little bit of texture, just a little bit of separation of the fibers, and also giving that a more natural look. I would work this all the way into the bangs as well, just to separate them a little and mess them up a little. I have not done anything to this wig. I've not altered it in any way. You could trim these bangs if they're too long, but actually I think they're a good length for me. And I think just by doing those few little things, you get a lot more movement. It doesn't look like a wig. It has, you can mess up the fibers, and you're going to get, like I said, a much more natural movement and look. Okay, let's go outside and look at this beautiful color Ice Blonde. Okay, ice blonde. Wow, what a beautiful color. Ashy blonde base, as you can see on this wig. And it has these white gold tips. And I hope that you can see that. It blends down, and then the tips of it turn white gold. Highlighted around the face. This is a beautiful dynamic color. I'm going to probably try to get this in some other styles as well, this color. I really, really like it, but I tend to like ashy colors, and this definitely is that. But this is pretty, just the way this comes down and gives you that highlighting on the ends. Wow, beautiful. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. Okay, Rene Paris Nico, Ice Blonde. Again, basic cap. Here's where your little bit of permatease is. Just felt across the front. I like the way they have sewn the fibers into the ear tab here. That's very nice. It has a natural look. Felt ear tabs, open wefted, pull adjusters. You have some room here. Non-extended nape. And there's a lot of stretch in this wig. And here's another look at this lovely color, Ice Blonde. Okay, we're back with Nico and Ice Blonde from Rene Paris. Slip her on with a headband. Really a casual look. Like that. Let's see how it works with glasses. I wear my glasses over my ear tabs. It's not comfortable for me to wear them underneath, so I always just slip mine over it. It's fit great. I wear glasses on top of my head most days. That fits fine. Let's see how they look with some sunglasses. Yep, I like them. Okay, guys, that's my review. Rene Paris Nico. Again, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.